Good morning students. Welcome to the lecture series of parallel computing. In today's lecture we will discuss about a prefix sum PRAM algorithm. So first let us get to know what do you mean by a prefix sum. If we are given a set of n values where the values are from a1 to an and an associative operation, that is a plus operation, then a prefix sum can be performed to calculate the n quantities. And how we will do it? Like initially we will take the first value a1, then the first two value will get added, a1 plus a2, then the third value will get added with the sum of first two value. Later on the fourth value will get added with the sum of first three value, and so on. So finally the sum of the sum up to an minus 1 is get added to the an. So in this way we can compute the prefix sum. For example, let's take the operation. We have a plus operation and we have a array of integers, and the array contains 3, 1, 0, 4, 2 elements. There are 5 elements present in the array. So how the prefix sum can be computed? First we take the first element as it is, then the first two element will get added. 3 plus 1, that will be 4. Now this 4 is get added to the third element, that is 0. Then 0 plus 4 will be 4. Then this 4 will get added with the next element, that is 4. Then 4 plus 4, 8, and this 8 will be get added with the last element 2, and we will get the value 10. So this is called prefix sum. The current element will get added with its previous element. Sometimes this prefix sum is also called as parallel prefixes and scan. This prefix sum PRAM algorithm has several applications, and today we will see one of the application of the prefix sum. Let's see the application of a prefix sum. Here we have an array and we have stored both the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter in this array. And our objective is to store all the uppercase letter at the beginning of the array. हमारे पास एक array है जिसमें हमने both uppercase letter and lowercase letter दोनों ही store किया है. But finally what we have to do कि हमारे array में हम चाहते हैं कि सारे के सारे uppercase letter जो भी हैं वो पहले initially at the beginning of the array में present रहे. So how we will do this operation, or how the prefix sum is going to help us in doing this computation. So first let's see. Here we are given an array A of n letters and we want to pack the initial we want to pack the uppercase letters in the initial portion of A while maintaining the order, and the lower case letters are deleted. This is our objective. Now so let's see, we have an array A which contains both the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. Now we will take another array and that is T, and what T will contain? For the uppercase letter we will mark the value 1. We will mark the value 1 for the uppercase letter in the array T and 0 for the lowercase letter. So here you can see that in array T जितने भी uppercase letter हैं उनके लिए हमने value 1 mark कर दिया है, और जितने भी lowercase letters हैं उनके लिए value हमने 0 रखा है. You all can see that here A में as it is capital letter, so we have make it 1. It is small letter, so we make it 0. Again C and D are capital letter, so हमने उनके लिए 1 मार्क किया है. E 0 क्योंकि ये small letter है. F के लिए 1, G H के लिए 0 क्योंकि स्मॉल लेटर है, एंड अगेन I के लिए हमने 1 दिया है. Now on this array we will compute the prefix sum. प्रीफिक्स सम में हम क्या करते हैं, इनिशियली पहले जो हमारा पहला वैल्यू है वो एज इट इज आएगा, एंड देन दिस वैल्यू विल गेट एडेड टू द second element of the array. Then 1 plus 0 we will get 1, and this 1 will get added to 1, we will get 2. 2 will get added to 1, we will get 3. 3 will get added to 0, we will get 3. And again 3 will get added to 1, we will get 4. 4 will get added to 0, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. And then 4 plus 1, 5. So in this way we have computed the prefix sum of the array T. Now let's see. Now the array T contains 1 for every uppercase letter and 0 for the lowercase letter, and we have computed the prefix sum. Now what we will do that for each uppercase letter in the array T, there is an index in the T. For A we have 1, for let's see, for A we have the index 1, for C we have 2, for D we have 3, for F we have 4, and we have I for 5. So in the now for every element of A containing an uppercase letter, the corresponding element of T is in the index in the packed array. So what we have done that we have removed the repeated number, and we have kept all the index at the beginning. So we will get all the uppercase letter at the beginning of the array. So using the prefix sum we can perform this type of application. So now next we will see that how this prefix sum is performed in the PRAM machine. If we have taken an EREW PRAM machine, then how the prefix sum is done. Here let's see that we have a 10 number of values, and those values are 4, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, 0, 5, 6 and 3. So now we have to perform the prefix sum. So initially how many processor will get activated? There will be n-1 processor get activated to perform the prefix sum on these 10 values. Now for initially how this computation will take place? सबसे पहले 4 as it is आएगा, then 4 plus 3 will get added, and we will store the value 7 at the A1, and then this 3 plus 8 will get added, and we will store the value at the A2. Then 8 plus 2 will get added, and we store at 10. Then 2 plus 9 will get added, and we will store the value at A4. Then 9 plus 1 will get added, and we will store the value at 10. Then 1 plus 0 will get added, and we will store the value 1. Then 0 plus 5 will get added, and we will store the value at A7. A7 में हम 5 store करेंगे. Then 5 plus 6 will get added, and we will store the value at A8, and 6 plus 3 we will add the value, and we will store the value at A9. So in this way we have added the value and we stored the value at. Now let's see, each one access a of I, then access a of I minus 2 to the power j, where j is the depth and j varies from 0 to log of 1. Now in the third step what we will do? Now let's see, we have to add the first value and the third value, and we will store the value at the A2. 4 plus 11 we will get 15, and we will store at the A2. Now see, A1 plus A3 will get added in the here. If it is, let's see, If it is